Hello everyone! Happy October 1st. Today we celebrate homemade cookies, music legends, and the joy of aging with style. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Homemade Cookies Day, a warm and delicious tribute to baking from the heart. A great gift could be a cookie mix bundle, a personalized cookie jar, or a baking class voucher. What's your favorite cookie flavor? Let's crumble into the comments. Next, it's International Music Day, a global celebration of rhythm, melody, and soul. A sweet gift could be a playlist of classics, a portable speaker, or a music-themed journal. What song always lifts your mood? Let's share the soundtrack below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's International Day of Older Persons, honoring wisdom, experience, and lifelong contributions. A thoughtful gift could be a memory book, a cozy shawl, or a tech tutorial for staying connected. Who's an older person you admire? Let's celebrate them in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.